If you're a coffee drinker, you need to get this sweet foam. It's awesome. Now, we all love tattoos, but when it comes to black and gray versus color, what style is better? They both have their strengths and weaknesses, so in today's video, we're going to be going over what style is better. Black and gray or color? Now, if you personally had to pick between black and gray or color, which one would you pick? Leave a comment down below. If this is your first time here, my name's Mike and this is Manly Man TV. And on this channel, I post weekly men's lifestyle videos and tattoo videos just like this one. So if that's the kind of stuff you're looking for, consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss a thing. I am going to break down this special video into 3 categories: pain, price, and longevity. See what style tattoo comes out on top. So without further delay, let's get into it. So first, let's talk about the pain between both of these styles. Now you might be saying, Mike, doesn't all tattoos feel the same? They're all just needles and ink. Now, coming from a guy that has both black and gray and color tattoos, I gotta say, the pain, it's pretty different between the two styles. Now let me explain. See my color tattoo right here? Throughout the whole tattoo, my skin is fully covered in ink. When it comes to color tattoos, they are using the different colors of ink to bring out the detail of that tattoo. And because they are fully working over the skin, it's gonna cause more needles penetrating your skin, causing a more painful tattoo experience. With black and gray tattoos, as you can see right here, all of the lighter tones and the whites in the tattoo are actually my skin. Kind of like an outline, but not really. The artist is using your natural skin tone to work a lot of those details into that tattoo piece. 1 second, coffee break. Whew. Also, I might add, when it comes to black and gray tattoos, your artist should be working the tattoo machine a lot softer over your skin, because all it is different shades of black. Him being softer should cause less trauma to the skin. With color tattoos, the artist really has to make sure he's packing that ink into your skin to really make it a nice solid color, vibrant and beautiful. Running the machine harder, which will cause more trauma to the skin, which in the end result will be more painful. The winner of this category, if you want to have a less painful experience, goes to black and gray. Now the next category I'm going to be talking about is pricing between black and gray versus color. Now I have a few videos about tattoo pricing on this channel, and one of the main factors that always comes into play is the artist hourly rate they charge. Like I said earlier, the tattoo artist really has to take his time out to really pack that ink in the skin, saturating that whole tattooed area. Not only do they have to pack the ink in to get a nice solid color, they've really got to take their time out to make sure that each color of that tattoo looks even, and that could take a ton of time. Now, if you didn't know, every time the tattoo artist is switching ink colors, it is extremely important that they thoroughly wash all of that colored ink out of the tattoo machine before switching to a new color. Don't want to cross colors. Plus, when it comes to different colors of ink, it generally will cost more for colored ink than just regular black ink. Now, black and gray tattoos will typically be faster to complete. 40% faster according to tattoo artists. Black and gray tattoos utilize a lot of empty skin to make those lighter tones. A lot of people get confused thinking that the artist is using gray ink on their tattoos, but that isn't the case. It's all black ink. They will just dilute the black ink with like witch hazel or some kind of distilled water to get those grays. So that means that they don't have to be so careful washing out that black ink because all they're using is black ink. They really don't have to wash it at all. They could just keep chugging away. This will cause the tattoo to be applied much faster, taking less hours to complete, making black and gray tattoos to be the cheaper of the two options. The next category to put these two styles of tattoos up against, longevity. What style tattoo is gonna look better longer? Now, no matter what kind of tattoo you have, over time, the tattoo is going to fade regardless. But black and gray and color tattoos, they age very differently. For example, there are specific colors of ink that will fade faster than others. Red, purple, orange. These colors are probably the fastest to fade, aside from, like black, for instance. Now, don't get me wrong, there is different colors of ink that will last and look good for a really, really long time. But then you'll see other colors in the tattoo that just don't look as vibrant and fresh as the rest of the tattoo. Black and gray tattoos will naturally hold their detail and look better longer because remember, it's all based off of black ink. Now, black and gray tattoos don't need to be touched up anywhere near as much as color tattoos need to be touched up. On average, black and gray tattoos, you really don't need to get them touched up for at least 30 years. And I know that sounds like a long time. Color, on the other hand, you're looking to probably get that touched up anywhere from 10, 15, maybe 20 years. But it really depends on how well you take care of that tattoo. But I've seen color tattoos that were like 20, 25 years old that still looked amazing and did not ever get touched up. Now, if you're the type of person that doesn't really want to have to go back into a tattoo shop and get your tattoos touched up, you're probably going to want to go for the black and gray just because it doesn't need as much upkeep as color. Now, by no means am I trying to scare you away from getting color tattoos. I'm just trying to let you know and be honest with you, because you know, that's what we do here, honesty. But seriously, I love all tattoos, both black and gray and color. Each style is beautiful and that is why I have both. So even though I said black and gray is pretty much the best in every category, you can't go wrong either way. Now, if you want to learn how to make your tattoos pop and look brand new again, make sure you check out this video right here. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.